friendly business model for anyone that is looking to make money online in Kenya if you don't have any capital to start with. Reason being, you don't have to buy any products and you don't need any capital to get started. Also, you're going to be leveraging the power of some really simple tools such as every single day. What is going on, guys? This is Wycliffe from TechHood254, and on this channel we help you learn how to make money online in Kenya the legit way. So if you've already watched part 1 of this video, and part 1 is all about how you can make money online in Kenya, and we're teaching you the methods. There's 5 ways that you need to know to help you learn how to make money online in Kenya and from anywhere. And just a quick recap is that you need 3 things to make money online. And these, you either need a skill, you need a product, or you need a service. And since I know a lot of you watching this video have already checked out part 1, if you haven't checked out part 1, go and check it out right away before watching this, because it has a lot of value and it has everything you need to know as a complete beginner where you need to start if you want to make money online. Because if you don't know these basics, you won't be able to pick one industry or to pick one method that you can run with. So without wasting a lot of your time, let us continue from where we stopped. So we were talking about how to make money online using content creation, and I talked about creating a blog. I also talked about creating a YouTube channel or videos. Now, the next thing that you can use to make money online in Kenya is creating content on social media pages such as Instagram and Facebook, even TikTok, and on Twitter. Now, the reason why you want to create content on Facebook or even on Instagram is because you can use your content to help you grow out an audience and later on monetize your Facebook group or even your Instagram page in several different ways. Now, I don't know whether you know about this, but there are several people that are doing something called influencer marketing. And essentially what this is where you have grown out your audience that people or companies or brands are willing to pay you a significant amount to simply share something on your story, an advertisement on your story for 24 hours. And I've seen people getting paid 4,000, 3,000, even 5,000 shillings just to share a story on their Instagram page for 24 hours. Now, this is something you definitely want to consider, because creating a huge audience isn't something that is should be difficult. We've done it here on YouTube. You simply need to find the platform that works for you and share the information that your audience would be interested in. Now, make sure while you're trying to create an audience, find out what your gift is, find out what your audience wants to hear, and remain authentic. There's a really cool example that I came across this week of a girl that's been sharing her comedy.
I really want to see you, but like, pandemic. You want to see me in a pandemic? Crazy.
Very short videos on Instagram. And because she has been really authentic, and because she shares her content in a way that so many people can relate to this information, she's been able to land really huge deals with international companies. And so this isn't something that is left to only a certain type of people or a certain group of people. Anybody can do this if they put their mind to it, but also anyone can do this if they are authentic to themselves and if they use the skill they have and the gift they have. So that's another way that you can make money, by creating content either on Facebook pages or on Instagram. Now, the next method that I want to share with you on how to make money online in Kenya is freelancing. Now, I know a lot of you have been searching for things such as, online jobs in Kenya and things like that. Now, freelancing is essentially where you are providing a service to anybody who needs this service. And it could be anything from freelance editing, freelance photography, freelance videography, freelance writing, anything, as long as you're providing your service to somebody that needs that service and you don't necessarily work for them on retainer, then you are a freelancer. And so there are different platforms that you can start working as a freelancer. Some of them include Upwork, freelancer.com, and also Fiverr, which is one of our favorites. If you haven't checked out Fiverr, definitely make sure you do. There's a video that we did just the other day on how you can work on Fiverr and make a significant killing by doing gigs that are super easy and don't take much time to learn. I'm going to link that in the top right corner so that you can check it out. So essentially, that is what freelancing is. Find a skill, something that you are good at. You could be a freelance web designer, and that's something that we've also done here at TechHood. Find a skill, something that you are good at, and find the people who require that skill. And again, the theme is consistent. You can see here that to make money online in Kenya and anywhere, you need a skill. And even if you have the skill, you still don't just, that's not enough. You also need to know how to market yourself. That's another skill. You need to know how to create a portfolio. That's another skill. And so these are some of the services that we offer. If you want to learn how to create a portfolio, especially if you are a freelance writer, go ahead and check out our tutorial down below, because we show you exactly step by step how to create a portfolio on 3 different platforms. And this is something that can help attract customers to you, and it's something that will give you an edge over anyone else that is out there competing for the same job opportunity. So the next thing, aside from freelancing, is creating a software as a service business. Now, a software as a service business is where you want to aim at. This should be the peak of what you're aiming for, because when you're creating a software as a service, what you're essentially doing is you're providing a lot of value to your customers, but you're not selling your time for money. As a freelancer, you have to be there actively doing that thing that the customer needs. But with the software, you're essentially finding something that people need, several people need, and you're creating a software that does that work for you. And this can be anything from, a software that helps people to rank their videos on YouTube, such as vidIQ, such as TubeBuddy, and it can be an accounting software. There's a software literally for anything, okay? So if you have identified a gap and you feel like this gap is something that I can fill with a software, creating a software as a service business is another way to make money online. Now, this might not be something that you want to do as a newbie, but as you progress from becoming a freelancer and going into other businesses, you will easily be able to see which methods or which things or which needs are available in the industry out there that you are in, be it writing, be it photography, be it anything that you are in as a freelancer. Can go into a software as a service, and the earning potential for this is way higher than if you were trading your time for money. Now, the final method that you can use to help you make money online in Kenya is e-commerce. Now, a lot of you are already familiar with e-commerce, and basically it's using the internet to provide products. Usually these are physical products. Now, you've probably seen online stores where you can buy different kinds of things. So with e-commerce, I'm going to break it into 2 different categories here. The first category is drop shipping, and with drop shipping in Kenya, there are not too many people doing that. But even then, that doesn't mean that it's not possible. Drop shipping is absolutely possible. So if you're hearing about drop shipping in Kenya for the first time, let me let you know what that actually means. So drop shipping is where you, as the person that is doing the drop shipping, is fulfilling an order for somebody who is in need of a product, and you don't ever handle the goods physically. You don't ever handle the product physically. What happens is you are simply creating an online store or a drop shipping store with goods from a particular merchant. Now, this merchant is selling these goods at a lower price, but on your store, the goods are going or retailing at a higher price. So when the person who is in need of these goods makes the purchase from you, you get to keep the money that's in between. Don't let anyone lie to you that drop shipping involves you shipping actual physical goods and keeping those physical goods at a certain location uh, within your proximity or within your own storehouse. That is not how drop shipping works. We don't do drop shipping ourselves, and so I'm going to link down information down in this description box to a different channel where you can actually learn how to drop ship, and that should be of a lot of help to you. The second method that is in e-commerce is where you are going to be working as using print on demand. Now, we've talked about print on demand before, and I'm going to link it up in the top right corner so that you can check that video out. Print on demand is basically something that you can start with absolutely zero capital, and it's a really awesome a newbie friendly business model for anyone that is looking to make money online in Kenya if you don't have any capital to start with. Reason being, you don't have to buy any product and you don't need any capital to get started. Also, you're going to be leveraging the power of some really simple tools such as Canva. And the best part about print on demand is that you can start on websites that allow you to do this for absolutely free because there's no sign-up fee. So one of the places you can sign up for print on demand is Teespring. There's also Redbubble, and there's Amazon. Now, if you're hearing about print on demand for the first time, what it actually is you are going to be creating unique graphics, pictures, or text, images, and things like that. And I'm going to just share some pictures here on the screen with you so that you can see what print on demand looks like. Now, you don't have to buy these t-shirts or these merchandise. What happens is the company provides those things for you. All you're actually doing is creating the image and or the text that goes on these t-shirts. And what happens is you are going to be paid every single time that somebody makes a purchase that has your print on it. And this is awesome because you don't even have to worry about the shipping or anything like that because the company takes care of all of that. The other good thing is that you don't need to worry about advertising your print on or your merchandise because there's a lot of people or a lot of traffic already flowing to platforms such as Redbubble, Teespring, and Amazon merch. So you can easily be able to start this process and just make sure that you know which tools to use. Like I've said, I'm going to put the links down below to a video that I did about this before so that you can know which tools you can use to design, and you don't have to be a professional graphic designer. You can even come up with catchy slogans and just write anything on a t-shirt, and that is something that you can use to help you make money online in Kenya. So guys, if you've gotten any value from this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and a very huge thank you to our subscribers for sharing our content. We've seen that so much of our content is being shared out there, and also to the new subscribers for getting us to 2,000 plus subscribers. Keep staying awesome, and remember, focus guys. You guys can do this. Making money online in Kenya is possible. We can do it. We started from scratch with no information. You can do it too if you remain focused and if you pick one thing and run with it. I'll see you guys in the next video.